Yeah, well, when you're going to get dear old dad this Father's Day, today we're thinking outside the tie box and have some creative ways to help the man in your life be more organized. Professional organizer Sarah Gordon is here with some great suggestions this morning. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Di.
Let's just start off. You've got a wide variety of things, but from what I've just seen, great things, especially for guys who travel. So let's start down in this area and talk about some of the things that you brought.
Right. So if your father is on the go, he's a major traveler, the first item is a little organizer that keeps not only their headphone sets, travel charger.
Right, I just think
yes,
it's tremendous.
It's so great. It can be used. You can insert your keys into it as well.
Because these are web
intertwined, yes,
okay.
and very flexible and functioning for the traveler. So you just pull this out when you go. Right through security, and it's not a problem at all. One of the other additional items next to it is a luggage strap, and it's bright. It's you can get them in orange, green, all different colors, which makes it easier for Dad to identify his luggage when he's traveling.
Well, 1,000 people have 1,000 black bags.
Yes. So this is a great
so that
option.
makes it stand out.
Yes. Another sentimental gift to give Dad this year is the digital picture frames. Load that with your family photos, load it with a number of different ideas, and give that to Dad already preloaded, and have all of your family pictures there for the very sentimental guy. Some of the other items that are great that are out there for this Father's Day, this is a collision kit. It's perfect. Not that you anticipate your father being in any type of accident, but in the event something like that does happen, there's a camera, there's forms in there already, everything that you need to fill out an accident report if that should happen.
Okay, so if you're on the road a lot, and a lot of dads are, they travel for business.
Perfect.
Yeah, that's just throw that in the cubby hole and off you go.
Yep, in the glove compartment and you're fine. For the dad who's been in the military, this is another great product. Franklin Covey comes up with this, and this is an actual planner. So this is kind of nice to give that patriotism look, and very good if you're going to be in the woods organizing.
Okay.
So perfect for that.
The one in front of it, I think, is a fabulous idea. That comes in. Why didn't I think of that?
Yes. This is a triple organizer. Not only can you do your coupons, gift cards, receipts, especially perfect for the traveler to when you're on the go, and it's in unisex colors, so it really doesn't pinpoint you into being a typical female-based product, but very universal. Another product that we have is the Zag, keyboard case, which is for the iPad. Works wonderful, not only as a case, but then also you can use the keyboard function.
Why don't you put that down so our viewers can kind of see how easy it works.
It just slides and snaps, and then you have it, and it's right on the go.
All right.
So this works fantastic when it comes to just being mobile and transitional. And I
love the fact that you also threw in some chocolate.
Yes, in case your dad needs a little bit extra sweets, then there you go.
Usually that would be a Mom's Day gift, but dads like chocolate too.
They do. You cannot categorize into one gender or the other on that one.
All right. All kinds of great ideas this morning. Thank you so much for joining us with all these clever ideas. For more information about Sarah and her professional organizing services, just check out our show page at KARE11.com, and you can find us under the News tab.